Videoing?
Yeah.
Okay. Michael?
Yeah.
Can we turn off the music for a second? She's taking video.
Oh, no, the music's fine.
No, no, no. You need to hear what they were singing before.
Oh, okay.
The chant you were doing. Okay? So here we are at the rice harvest at the Agricultural Research Center, and it's interesting because usually the workers, they're okay, but today they are extremely happy. I've never seen so much joy at harvest as when they're harvesting the rice. And so they've been chanting, and Gil and Michael, the microphone here, he's been talking plenty, and they're just happy. And so what we're doing is they just take the very heads of the grain with a little bit of stem, and they hold it like this, and they get a big handful, and then they lay it in a container. And I'm gonna try my hand at the interpretation of tongues. I don't know Gil real well, but I think what they're saying is, give me plenty of rice till I have a big belly. I think that's what the words mean. Okay. I've asked them for an estimate of how much rice they expect to get out of this field here. They said maybe 6 bags, which here at the Ark, that means enough rice for 2 weeks.
I love it. You look up our whole